We all know tap water can taste terrible and is full of junk you don't want to drink, but spending hundreds on bottled alkaline water is just burning money. I wanted cleaner, healthier water straight from my kitchen, so I bought and tested the top 5 alkaline water machines. I'm going to show you which ones actually taste great and which ones are just overhyped filters. Product number 1, VIOMI Master M1 RO System. I started with the VIOMI Master M1. This is an undersink system, and when I pulled it out of the box it looked sleek and modern. It's tankless, which I love because it didn't eat up my entire cabinet space. The installation was surprisingly fast, took me about 20 minutes following their guide. The real test was the taste. The water comes out fast, filling my glass in seconds, and it tastes crisp. That's because it doesn't just strip everything out, it actually puts minerals back in to mimic natural spring water. The smart faucet is cool too, it shows you the purity level right on the screen. If you want high-end filtration that adds healthy minerals back in without the weight, this is a solid choice. Product number 2, Alkaline Water Ionizer Machine. Next, I set up this countertop alkaline water ionizer. This one looks a bit more like a piece of medical equipment with its 11 titanium plates. It sits right next to your sink, so you don't have to drill holes if you don't want to. My favorite part during testing was playing with the pH settings. You can actually choose different levels for drinking, cooking, or even washing your face. I tested the heating function, and getting warm alkaline water instantly was a nice bonus. It also has a self-cleaning button which saves a lot of hassle. The water tasted very smooth. If you want total control over your water's pH levels for different uses and prefer a machine that sits on the counter, check this one out. Product number 3, FrizzLife PD600 RO System. Then I installed the FrizzLife PD600. This is another undersink model and the build quality feels sturdy. It's also tankless, so again, no big bulky tank taking up space. What stood out to me here was the flow rate. It fills a cup in about 10 seconds, which is fast enough that I didn't get annoyed waiting. The water tasted slightly sweet, which is a good sign that the remineralization stage is working. It balances the pH to be weakly alkaline, which felt great on my stomach. I also checked the waste ratio, and it wastes way less water than older systems I've used. If you have a large family and need a high-capacity system that's efficient and easy to maintain, this is a winner. Product number 4, Waterdrop G5P500A RO System. I also tried the Waterdrop G5P500A. It's very compact. When I slid it under the sink, I still had plenty of room for cleaning supplies. The 8-stage filtration sounds intense, and honestly, the water quality backed it up. It tasted incredibly clean, no chlorine smell at all, but still had that refreshing mineral kick. The 2:1 pure-to-drain ratio is great for your water bill too. I like the smart display on the front that tells you when to swap filters so you aren't guessing. If you are tight on undersink space but still want premium 8-stage filtration with added minerals, this is the one to get. Product number 5, Waterdrop Slim Alkaline Dispenser. Finally, I tested the Waterdrop Slim Dispenser. This is totally different. It's a pitcher that goes in your fridge. It's huge, holding 35 cups, but the slim design meant it fit perfectly on my fridge shelf without blocking everything else. I love the sliding cover. I could refill it without dragging the whole heavy container to the sink every time. The taste was noticeably better than tap water, and I liked that it boosts the alkalinity without needing electricity or installation. It doesn't lower TDS like the RO systems, but it removes the bad taste and adds minerals. If you are renting, on a budget, or just don't want to deal with plumbing, this is the easiest way to get alkaline water. Whether you want a full undersink system for professional-grade water or just a simple fridge dispenser to improve the taste, one of these will fit your kitchen. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and stay hydrated.